Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, ThaEmprezz Wagwan. So today I am going to do this hairstyle. It is not hard at all. You would think I use glue. No, I did not. Stay tuned to see how I get this cute little hairstyle done. Alright, and if you're new here, welcome and stay till the end, okay? And don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And if you have been here with me and you are not new here, welcome back. See you in the video.
Hi girlies, so I already blew up my hair and now I am detangling it. So this, my hair needs a trim. Oh my goodness. And yeah, all I'm doing is detangling it so that it could be manageable and lay a little bit more soft when I put it in a ponytail. Now this ponytail is not going to be tight because I want it to be a little bit more natural and comfortable. For some reason, when I'm doing ponytails or updos, I like to leave a little bit out on the side. I don't know why, but I think it suits me. So if you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. But I like it. I think it's cute. So I'm just putting my hair up in a bun, a messy bun, in air quotes, and yeah, I'm using a little rubber band to secure it. If your hair is much longer or much straighter, you can do it without blowing your hair out. I had to blow my hair out because, you know, it's very kinky. So I'm going to use my Shine and Jam to smooth my edges in with the soft part of the brush, not the coarse part this time. I'm just using a little bit. And don't use it on your leave out. Only the edges. I saw that, right? I didn't even see that that was there for the whole video. Anyway, I caught on to it after so long, almost to the end of me doing my hairstyle, and I got rid of that hair. I don't know what that was. But yeah, I end up seeing it at the end. Now I am going to use some rhinestones. I got these from Amazon and I'm using the bigger pieces. I am going to use the Shine and Jam as my adhesive for the rhinestones. These rhinestones did not last though. So if you want a little bit more of a secure style that will last you for a few more days, I would use something else to make it stick for a longer time. But because I didn't want it for more than a day, I only used the Shine and Jam. This look was inspired by Janelle Monae. She used more rhinestones than I did. I wish I used more, but I knew I was gonna take them out, so I didn't do too much, just enough to make it a little bit more like hers. You can put as much as you want to. So for this, I'm just going to use my curling wand to give me some soft curls. for the ends. Can you imagine that I burnt my ear? Oh my gosh, I saw all the stars and the moon and everything. Oh, beauty is pain. A pain in my ear. Get it? So corny. So because I look like I have some extra elephant ears, I am going to put some of that edge wax from Murray's on there. It's super hold, so it will make it lay down just a little bit. And I'm using a spoolie to keep it down or to slick it in. That didn't work though, I just used my fingers. And that's about it for the style.
I'm glad that you finished the video, and if you have reached thus far and you have not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Huh? What are you waiting for? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.